So hi guys, my name is Miss Shelby Lee, so you can call me Shelby, whichever one you like. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial of the lip bar. They are a black owned beauty brand that I decided to try today. I decided to try the Fast Face Kit, so if you're interested in doing that, definitely stay tuned. But before you do that, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. Make sure you click my face right here to subscribe to my channel. If you are not new, thank you so much for coming back and consistently giving me those views. I really appreciate it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment what your favorite lip bar product is down below. And be sure you are subscribed before you leave this video. Without further ado, let's hop right into the video. Oh, from the lip bar, I bought the Fast Face Kit. So the kit comes with this Fast Face Kit bag, of course. It comes with a dual-ended brush, the Lash Flash mascara, straight out of Patience eyeliner. It also comes with a matte liquid lipstick. I got the color Boss Lady. It says Pretty Red right here. The Face Quad, Arch Nemesis brow pencil, and the foundation in shade 302. Now I'm going to zoom in and show you guys how I do my brows with the Arch Nemesis brow pencil. I really like the packaging of these. So now I'm going to just go in with light strokes. Fill it in a little bit because it doesn't need much. I don't want that to be too thick. Hair-like strokes though. That's really all I'm gonna do with my brow, and wow, that looks good. So I'm gonna take a brow pencil, brush it up a little bit, and then I'm going to go in with a brow gel. But it really just made my brows pop a little bit. It didn't even do too much, didn't too much color, nothing. So pretty happy about that. Let me do my other eyebrow, see if it got that same energy. And I'm gonna go in with some concealer under my brows, and then I'm gonna put the brow gel. Concealer is not a lip bar product, so I won't be showing that, but I do have a eyebrow tutorial if you guys want to check it out. I will link it right here on the cards. I like it so far. I'm just gonna go in with the gel now and finish up. Like the way that looks. The next step is the eyes. So I've already dragged that concealer all the way down to my eyes just to make a clear base. And the only thing I'm really gonna do is take the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and, you know, do a little bit of shadow. So I'm gonna take the color Supreme and put that in my crease. It is this pink. Literally, you could just put pink in your crease and put a regular gold on your lid and be done. But I'm extra, so. I love the Jackie Aina palette so much. Like, this is the only palette that I use in South Africa. Like, I literally did not pick up another palette, and my looks, bah, okay, bah, as always. I'm gonna take a crease color and pinker, which is the shade that's right next to it, right here. I'm gonna put that in my crease. So far, I do appreciate the Fast Face Kit because it's making my makeup so much simpler. Honestly, truly. Just gonna blend out those two colors now because kind of look like a train wreck. Shade Wigglies is this pinky red shade. I'm gonna put that on my lid. I'm gonna go in with Trust Issues. That's the color right here. I don't want to put that on top. So I'm pretty much done with the eyes. And what I'm gonna do next is take their liner, and it is called the Straight Out of Patience. Yes, that's what it's called. So it's the Straight Out of Patience smudge proof liner, and I'm just gonna take that and line my upper and lower lash line just so when I put the mascara and the lashes on, they can blend in. Wow, now that I'm zooming in, I really like this look. Then I'm going to take their lash strengthening mascara and I'm going to put that on my lashes. This is the step before mascara. I'm not this for mascara. This is the step before lashes. Do you see the length that this mascara gave me? My eyelashes are not long at all, but they actually made them look long. And I appreciate that. I'm gonna do my bottom lash line after I'm done with the foundation and the base and everything, but I'm gonna come back with lashes. So for the foundation, I'm gonna be using the foundation that came in the Fast Face kit, and that is in the color 302. So it already comes with a brush. I think this is just a brush to apply it. This is not to blend it in. So I guess what you do is you push it up. And did you see that? Did you see that? And then I'm gonna dot that on my face. As you can see, this product is a little light for me, but I'm still gonna blend that in. I'm gonna take the dual-ended brush and I'm gonna take this side and blend that in really quickly. This foundation contains some really good ingredients. I'm going to put them on the screen, but I know it contains hyaluronic acid, which is great. I love to see it. I'm also going to color correct my face, but that's going to have to wait until after foundation. Just a pro tip, when you're trying to blend, you want to blend around the spots, not put your thing directly in like I just did on my forehead. Because when you do that, you end up having too much product. So like, I'm gonna blend around this right quick, and then I'm gonna blend it in. Because I do think I have too much on my forehead. I probably need some more on my neck and like the rest of my face. This was a really quick foundation though. Didn't really have to do much to put it on. This has no applicator. You don't have to put it in your hand or on your palm or wherever you end up putting your foundation. And even if you do end up putting your brush like straight into the product, make sure you put it around the rest of your face and then come back to blend it out. At first I didn't really think this was a good match for me, but it looks pretty decent so far. It kind of looks like I'm wearing a mask right now, but that'll go away. So just gonna keep blending until I feel like it's done. And I did tell you guys I was going to correct next, so I'm going to take my Sephora orange corrector and I'm going to put that on my dark spots. And this is what it looks like. My dark spots are here. And I'm literally just going to take my fingertip and blend that in. I guess the sun is going down a little bit, but for now I'm good. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and contour my face. So the lip bar doesn't have a cream contour, so I'm going to use a cream contour. This is the Fenty Matchstick in the color Dark Truffle. I'm not contouring my nose anymore. It's just something that I decided to stop doing. Now I'm going to take the foundation side of the brush that I use, not the contour side. I'm going to blend that out. I like this brush. I really like this brush. I'm probably going to use this soft because it's really soft. Like, ugh. Like, you know when you get those fuzzy slippers and they're like so cute and so soft. This is how I feel about this brush right now. It's giving me life. Give me life. Give me life. Okay. I'm going to conceal with the same concealer I use under my eyes, the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the color, I don't know what this color is anymore. You don't want it to use too much, and I'm going to let this dry down for a hot second. Put a little on my forehead too. A little because I really don't want to draw attention to my forehead. I'm actually going to contour a little further down, so the light can show a little bit on my forehead because Ow, now.
I want my money. No.
I like the Fast Face kit so far. Comment down below if you would buy any of the products that I use so far. Like, let me know which product. I've used the Arch Nemesis, the Straight Outta Patience eyeliner. The Arch Nemesis is the brow pencil. I've used the brush and the foundation so far, so let me know what you guys think. I'm liking the line so far. So now that I let that concealer dry down for like a hot second, I'm just gonna take this e.l.f. concealer brush and go around the edges. So with this, you want to go around the edges first, because if you don't, you're going to dip right into the concealer and end up smearing too much product around. I'm gonna take this Sonia Kashuk sponge. It's huge. It gets even bigger when you wet it, so it's my fave. If I look crazy right now because of my hair, man, your business is all gonna come together at the end. So I might look like a crazy lady right now, but at the end I'm gonna look like a boss, because I am a boss. I'm gonna take the Colourpop No Filter setting powder and banana. Go under there real quick. The girls really don't set anymore, so I'm gonna take the brush I used before and I'm going to swoop that powder. I'm also gonna use this powder under the contour, just to make it stand out a little bit more. You can see what that did already. And then I'm gonna take that on my forehead. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start using the actual Boss Moves Minute Finish face palette. This is so cute, super cute. Taking this, and I'm going to use the contour shade, and it's the color called Making Bets. I like this so much. I feel like I'm gonna be using this brand so much when I get into my 9-to-5 life. That 9-to-5 life is calling you, girl. I feel like I did a good job of like bringing the shine away from my forehead, cause child, that whole large. To set my under eye, I'm going to take this color. It's Face Passion Cheeks. Oh, I like that. That same brush again and go back in with that powder. Okay, and now I'm going to take a blush brush, this BH Cosmetics number 3 brush. Now I'm going to take the blush in this thing. It's called Grinding. I love this. Everything is named after boss stuff. Cash and checks, grinding, now hiring, making bags. Like, whew, this boss activity, child. I think I'm going to change out my lashes because I don't really like them right now. They're coming off. And then I'm going to set my face. Well, I was going to take my spray bottle and spray my face. Like, this is how... I'm tired. I'm so tired. What am I doing again? Setting my face. So the way I like to set my face nowadays, I take this black Radiance Dewy Setting Spray, and I just spray this all over my sponge. After you spray it all over your sponge, just blend your face. So instead of the setting spray just sitting on top of your face, you're literally making an active motion of blending it in, like you're taking that setting spray and pushing that into your face. So it's actually setting your makeup, not just sitting on top of it. I just love the way it it brings everything together. Like it just really like puts everything in motion. Like, you know, boys, we are boys in motion. Boys, we are the boys in motion. We give you our devotion, boys. I also spray my face too, and then go back in. It's my Red number 4 brush, and I'm going to take this to highlight. It's a highlight in the palette. It's called Now Hiring. And just going to put that on my cheekbone. Don't judge my hair right now. Like, for real. If you're looking at it, stop. Ooh, I love the way this looks. Yes, ma'am. Y'all know I highlight that lip. Might have went a little overboard with the highlight. Is we're gonna take the liquid lipstick and put that all over our lips. I think it's hilarious when I'm always like, yeah, I can't find this anymore, but and it's literally in my lap or like on my chair. Let me show you something. Wow, I like this lip. and you want to do that, so you make sure it's nothing that's going to get on your teeth when you're in those meetings. I'm going to come back with some different lashes, and this will be the final reveal. This was so fun. I hope you guys had fun too. Comment what your favorite product was. I did the Arch Nemesis brow pencil, the Straight Outta Patience liner, foundation. I have the lip on. Let me know what your favorite product has been so far, and I'll come back in a second. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. This is the end of the video, but I do have more uploads that you can watch. Make sure you turn your bell notifications on so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Like this video and make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next one.